So this is a great question that I've already gotten about this template. And I'm so glad that you asked. What do you do about learners that need something different? So I really appreciate the way that Google Classroom allows me to see all of the assignments from all students at once. So I want to flip through, which means I want this to be the same assignment for everyone. So I could assign this to 13 kids and assign something different to 7 kids. And that might be fine for some people. I would rather to not have to go in and out of different assignments. So what I do is I assign this to everyone. And then once it is published, you can go into Google Classroom and open up each student's DLP separately. So I will do this for, if I have a handful of students that need something different, this is what I'll do. So I have 3 students that I have on a spelling program, and I want them doing that every day. And I also want them to have access to this and to be able to use this. So I will go into just theirs only after it's published. I will insert a row, and I will add that assignment. All right, so complete spell zone, 15 minutes. And then I will just copy and paste this. And the beauty is they can't see each other's. So they have no idea that they have a little bit more work than their classmates. You also might want to change something. So maybe for some students, you don't want them to have to give you 2 interesting facts. You want them to do something different. Maybe you want them to do 1 fact. You can delete one of these. Maybe you have a very specific question, or a handful of kids need extra directions for this math. So maybe instead of asking about the feedback, there are 3 kids who I know have got to use a calculator, or they're never going to do well on this assignment. I can go just into theirs and put a different comment here, and I can paste it into each of theirs. If it's going to take me more time than it's worth, I won't go into each one, but I found that the value of having everyone in the same assignment stream far outweighs spending 5 minutes personalizing. Last year, I had a handful of students that needed an entirely different DLP. So they needed very different assignments, and that was the best way for them to be successful. We had tried this and it didn't work. So what I did is I made another DLP for them that was like this, but it had different assignments in it. Theirs maybe always had a video at the top. And then I copied the entire table, basically the entire page, Control C. And when I went into their 2 DLPs within the stream, I just highlighted their entire document, deleted it, and Control V pasted it. And it was quick because I already had it prepared. I wasn't doing it on the fly. So if it's going to publish at 7:50 in the morning, I'm in front of my computer and I'm pasting it in at 7:52. So I hope that's helpful. I really like the ease of moving through the assignments, and that far outweighs the extra effort it takes to personalize work for a few students.